guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, I'm sorry for the gloominess. It's a gloomy, dark day today. But today is a what I eat in a day video. There's been a lot of requests for more food videos, what I eat in a day's recipe, Weight Watchers videos, so here is all of that in one. Today's video is actually sponsored by Yeso, which is an amazing Weight Watchers friendly, basically like ice cream, frozen yogurt ice cream bars. They're so freaking good and most of them are only 4 Weight Watchers points in the app. So we'll get into these more towards snack time, but I just wanted to let you know up front, sponsored by Yeso. But yeah, I'm just gonna take you with me on what I eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts, and track it all on the Weight Watchers app. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're kicking it off with breakfast and everything looks really yellow. That's annoying. Okay, I fixed it. But for breakfast, I'm having my usual. I've been having this like pretty much every day. So I have a couple sliced strawberries because they're so delicious from Costco right now. 2 scrambled eggs, nothing in them except salt and pepper. And then I have my 2 ingredient dough bagel, which I did do a recipe on. I will link that up in the corner. It's basically just Greek yogurt and self-rising flour, but it's 3 points per bagel. And then I ran out of cream cheese. So one side has my like belayed butter that I love, and then the other side has light cream cheese, both from Trader Joe's, so it still should even out to be just like 1 point. So I have my 4-point breakfast. And then I am sipping a little bit on this Evolution Fresh Organic Defense Up juice. When you scan this, it's kind of a lot of points, which I truly don't understand why blended fruit is points and just plain fruit is 0. So if you have any insight into that, let me know. I follow a bunch of people on like Instagram who don't count blended fruit or smoothies or anything. They just think it's free 0 points as well. But I don't even drink enough of this to make it worth any points because I like to ration these out because they are kind of expensive, but also like I'm never in the mood for this much juice. So I'm just gonna sip a little bit on that. Have some water as well. But yeah, that is my breakfast. I'll see you at lunchtime. Okay guys, so for lunch, I'm having one of my favorite, kind of quick and super easy but super delicious lunches. It doesn't look like super great, but I just said super a lot. But it is shredded chicken. I have 3.5 ounces of avocado, cherry tomatoes, lime juice, lemon juice, and a bunch of seasonings, like the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I have 1 ounce of the Trader Joe's white corn organic tortilla chips that I love. And then I also have out my mild salsa especial. This is my favorite salsa. It'll obviously be 0 points. So this lunch is 8 points, 4 points for the avocado, and then 4 points for the chips. And honestly, if you don't want chips, if you're not a chips kind of person, this could be a really easy and simple lunch. You could even bulk it up with some more chicken for just 4 points. And I always weigh out my stuff because I feel like you get more for it. So I have a food scale. I will link my food scale down below. I love mine. I use it every single day. But yeah, I'm very excited to dig into this. I also have a peach iced tea. Let me show you my favorite peach iced tea. It's this one, the Country Peach Passion herbal tea. I don't do caffeine. This peach tea is my freaking favorite. And then if you're curious, my favorite hot tea is the blueberry tree. So tea, I can't speak. I always drink the peach one iced and then the blueberry hot. So yeah, I'll link those both down below as well. But that is my lunch. Oh, if we're don't look at the dishes, don't even look. If we're curious, this is the organic white corn tortilla chips. If you've watched any of my Trader Joe's hauls, you've seen these. This is my food scale. I will link it down below. And then this is the top to what the salsa looks like. And this is my phone that was dying, but I was trying to track my lunch. So we have 11 points remaining for snack, dinner, and dessert, but I usually go into weeklies for dessert. But yeah, pretty doable day. We're gonna have chicken, potatoes, salad, and mushrooms for dinner, so it's gonna be pretty doable. I'm also watching an Alfie Days vlog because I love him and Zoe, so here we go. All right, so it's about 4 o'clock. I'm ready for my snack. Well, to be honest, I have been filming and I have some more like computer work to do, but before that, I'm gonna take a break and watch the Kardashians, and I have to have a snack for that, and I am so excited about my afternoon. So as I said, this video is sponsored by Yeso, these amazing frozen Greek yogurt bars. They have 18 bar flavors, 9 pint flavors as well, so I have this rolling in the dough pint flavor. I know I love these 3. I haven't actually tried the orange cream just yet, but the strawberry is amazing. I love the sea salt caramel, which is what I think I'm gonna go for today. I love the cookie dough. I have the cookie dough in bar form as well, and it's so good. All of these have 5 to 7 grams grams of protein, and it looks like all of these have 5, and they're between 80 and 100 calories. So these ones are a little bit less. The strawberry ones are so freaking good. Really love the strawberry ones as well. But as I said, this one is my favorite. So I think I'm just gonna go for this today. Scan this right now. This one might be more than 4 points because it is a little more indulgent than the other ones. So it's just easy to scan it. Yes, it's only 4! Track that as a snack. Did I do it? I did. So I have 7 points remaining for dinner and dessert, but I'll dip into my weeklies. But yeah, I'm excited for summer. I'm already gonna tell my mom to stock the freezer with these for when we come for 4th of July because they're amazing and it's hard to believe that they're not real ice cream. So, as I said, I'm gonna go for the sea salt caramel one. And by the way, these are available in grocery stores nationwide. And if you wanna see where you can find it near you, I will have like a tracker link down below. But let's rip into this. These are so good, you guys. Try them. Listen to me, try them. I'm about to sit down. Those are my shoes. I should spend my break picking up my apartment, not watching the Kardashians, but priorities. I'm gonna sit down, enjoy my treat, and watch the Kardashians. Bradley made us a lovely dinner this evening. Thank you, babe. Yep. So I was finishing up my work, so we have barbecue chicken that's been marinating all day. Potatoes in the air fryer. What'd you put on them?
Some salt, paprika.
Paprika, you say that's so funny. Give me some parsley, babe. Yes. And if you're curious, this is the air fryer that we have. It's really ginormous.
Yes, it is very big.
This is a cute little pot I just got in the middle.
I tried to make mozzarella sticks in there. It did not go well.
I don't think that was the air fryer's fault, though. I think that we just didn't know what we were doing.
It was my fault.
And by we, I meant you. I'll link that down below. I like the air fryer so far, but all we've really, like, made in it is potatoes, right?
And I tried to make mozzarella.
And failed mozzarella sticks. But here's my dinner.
I want to make fish and chips at some point.
I would love that. I should put it in my phone, but I believe it's 4 points for 6 ounces of potatoes. And these are just like Dutch potatoes, I think.
Yeah, yellow Dutch potatoes.
Dutch potatoes. So, yeah. Great. Thanks, babe.
Yep.
Okay, guys, so I just had 2 of my Trader Joe's Cocoa Batons. These are my favorite ever. I call them my special cookies. And you can have 2 of them for 5 points. And that rounded out my day. And so that is my day on Weight Watchers. I didn't even do too bad into the weeklies. I used 1 extra point, and I'm very satisfied. So, yeah. But I love you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.
Bye, everyone!
Goodbye.